So I wanted to know that what is the last date to submit the assignment?
Yes, ma'am. Repeat again. Miraya, ma'am.
So what is the last date to submit the assignment?
26.
26.
26.
Okay, and so like if I
You can submit after 26 also. 29 is the last date. 29.
okay, because on 24th I have my practical exam, so I wanted to cross check.
Okay.
Saurabh sir said that 24th we have our practical exam. So sir, if I have decided a topic, suppose joints or connective tissue, then on that only 300 to 500 words I have to write.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
29 is the last day.
Okay.
Is this visible diagram?
Yes, sir. It's visible.
What was our yesterday topic? Muscular system.
So yes, muscular
Yeah. We completed 24 major muscles.
properties.
24 major muscle. Last was the IT band, iliotibial band.
IT band.
Yeah. So our today's topic is respiratory system. Respiratory system. RESPIRATORY. Respiratory system. SYSTEM. So first, sit in any comfortable position for starting the class. Spine straight. Adopt Gyanar Chin Mudra. Eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for 3 times sound, followed by opening mantra. Oh. 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 Opening mantra, repeat after me. Yogena cittasya padena vacham malam sarirasya cha vaidyakena yopakarottam pravaram muninam Patanjalim Pranjaliranatosmi. Oh. Join your both palm together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eyes slowly and gently while blinking. Open your eyes. Om Shanti. So write down our new topic, respiratory system. RESPIRATORY, respiratory system. It is a network. It is a network that coordinates together. It is a network that coordinates together to perform the process of breathing. To perform the process of breathing. You do not have to think to breathe. You do not have to think to breathe. Respiration is the part of autonomic nervous function. Respiration is the part of autonomic nervous function. However, yogis claim that by controlling the breath, you can control all aspects of being. You can control all aspects of being. Science reveals that REVEALS, science reveals that your breath is an access point. Your breath is an access point to regulating your nervous system. You take breath 12 to 18 times per minute. You take breath 12 to 18 times per minute. The purpose of breath is to get oxygen to your cells, and to get rid of waste, waste, like carbon dioxide, and to get rid of waste like carbon dioxide. Okay, now write down types of respiration. There is two types of respiration. The first one is external respiration. RESPIRATION, external respiration. It is exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide. It is exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between lungs and blood. Means blood carries deoxygenated matter, and it carries carbon dioxide to lungs, and it releases carbon dioxide into lungs and take oxygen from there and again carries to other system. So this is the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between lungs and blood. Blood releases carbon dioxide into lungs and takes oxygen from there. Second one is internal respiration. It is exchange of oxygen. And carbon dioxide between blood and other tissues of the body. Means oxygen provided by blood to other tissues, and other tissues releases carbon dioxide into blood. The other organ systems tissues takes oxygen from blood and releases carbon dioxide into blood. That blood goes to lungs, and it releases carbon dioxide there and takes oxygen from there. So this is external respiration and internal respiration. Next one is phases of respiration. there is two phases of respiration. The first one is inspiration, INS, INSPIRATION, 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 that is breathing in, breathing in. In this phase, write down, in this phase, air enters in lungs. In this phase, air enters in lungs from atmosphere. Air enters in lungs from atmosphere. It elevates ribs and sternum. It elevates ribs and sternum. It expands lungs. It expands lungs and contract diaphragm, and contract diaphragm. It is an active process. It is an active process. Clear? It elevates ribs and sternum, expands lungs, and contracts diaphragm. Because diaphragm is below the lung, so it contracts. Here is the diaphragm, below the lung. Diaphragm is primary muscle of for breathing. Second one is expiration. Second type of respiration is, second phase of respiration is expiration. That is breathe out, breathing out. Breathing out, that is expiration. In this phase, air leaves the lung. In this phase, air leaves the lung. In this process, lungs decreases in size. In this process, lungs decreases in size. Rib cage releases down. Rib cage releases down. And diaphragm relaxes and expands. And diaphragm relaxes and expands. It is a passive process. It is a passive process. The next point is respiratory organ. Respiratory organ. There is two type of respiratory organ. The upper respiratory tract. First one is upper respiratory tract. It has 3 organs. It has 3 organs. The first one is nose. Aditya Dange. Hello. Hello.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Morning. How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Where are you? You are in Bali Yoga School or at home?
I'm from home. I'm watching from home.
When you join the session?
Just a few minutes back, actually, I was told to join the session in the coming month, but
Okay.
because there's 90 days validity, so I just might thought I was having some free time, so just a demo class maybe.
Okay, okay. You are 100-hour student or 200-hour student?
I'm a 300-hour student.
300-hour student. Okay.
Yes, actually, currently I'm in the office right now, but I had got some free time, so
You are from where?
I'm from Pune,
Pune.
Pune, Maharashtra.
Okay. So your next session start from 2nd of Jan.
Yes, but I would like, for me, it is difficult to continue like for 30 days in a stretch. So I would be attending at my flexibility whenever.
Okay. Random classes.
Yes, random classes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. So concentrate on session.
Sure.
Upper respiratory tract, it has 3 organs. First one is nose. This is an opening. Write down. This is an opening that gives way to air. This is an opening that gives way to air from outside to respiratory system. This is an opening that gives way to air from outside to the respiratory system. Second organ is pharynx. 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 Look here. At this point, there is pharynx at the joint of nasal cavity and our oral cavity. Backside. Nasal cavity and oral cavity. At the joining point of nasal cavity and oral cavity, there is pharynx. So what is pharynx? Pharynx is normally known as throat. 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 It is a tube. It is a tube that delivers air. From nose to trachea. From nose to trachea. It delivers air from nose to trachea. The third organ is larynx. 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 That is our voice box. Voice box. 1 minute.
Hello, Miraya. Where are you from?
Mumbai.
Okay.
It is a hollow organ. Larynx is a hollow organ that allows to talk, and make sound when air moves in and out. When air moves in and out. The second type of organs comes under lower respiratory tract. Lower respiratory tract. It has 6 organs. It has 6 organs. The first one is trachea. 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 That is windpipe, also known as windpipe. It is a passage. It is a passage that connects throat and lung. That connects throat and lungs. Second one is bronchi. 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 There is 2 in number tubes. There is 2 in number tubes at the bottom of the windpipe. At the bottom of the windpipe. That connect into each lung. That connect into each lung. Look here. This is nasal cavity. This is mouth cavity. Here is pharynx. And at the throat, this is throat and this is larynx. That is voice box. And after here, there is trachea, windpipe. Windpipe, not only muscular tube, it is cartilaginous tube. It is cartilaginous tube, not muscular tube. So it's shown by the lining. Lining shows that there is cartilage. And there is 2 bronchi. At the end point of trachea, 2 bronchi is there who connects both lungs. Clear? Next organ is bronchioles and alveoli. Bronchioles. Bronchioles and alveoli. Alveoli. Bronchioles and alveoli. These are the tree branch-like structures. These are the tree branch-like structures. The exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide, the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide happens in alveoli, alveoli. The next organ is lungs, lungs, lungs. Lungs are paired organs. Lungs are paired organs that help in the exchange of gases, that help in the exchange of gases they remove oxygen from inhaled air, pass it into blood, they remove oxygen from inhaled air, pass it into blood and exhale carbon dioxide, Next organ is pleura. Pleura, pleura. What is pleura? This is the outer covering of lung. Pleura is outer covering of lung. The last organ is diaphragm. Diaphragm, diaphragm. This is the primary muscle of respiration. It contracts during inhalation. During inhalation and relax during exhalation. Lungs volume. Next point is lungs volumes. LUNGS, lungs volumes. VOLUMNS. MES, not MNS. VOLUMES, lungs volumes. Write down tidal capacity. TIDAL, tidal capacity.
So your voice yeah.
Voice is breaking. Yes,
sir.
1 minute. Mirai ma'am, now
Yes, sir.
clear?
It's fine, sir.
Okay. Lungs volumes. Our topic is lungs volumes. The first one is tidal capacity. TIDAL, tidal capacity. CAPICITY. CAPACITY. Capacity, tidal capacity. What is tidal capacity? The amount of air in one breath in relaxed condition. The amount of air in one breath in relaxed condition means when we inhaling in one breath, that is tidal capacity, and that is 500 ml. Tidal capacity is 500 ml. Means we inhale 500 ml in one breath in normal. Next one is vital capacity. VITAL, vital capacity. This is maximum amount of air inhaled in one breath. Maximum amount of air inhaled in one breath. Means when we inhale forcefully, that time what amount of air we take known as vital capacity air. That amount is vital capacity, and the maximum vital capacity is 4500 ml, means 4.5 liter. We can inhale 4.5 liter, 4500 ml in one breath if we inhale forcefully. So we can take 4.5 liter air in one breath. Next is total lung capacity. What is total lung capacity? The total volume of lung, that is 6 liter, 6000 ml. 6000 ml is our lung capacity. Now write down the analysis of gases in respiration. Analysis of gases in respiration. And an analysis of gases in respiration and effect of pranayam we learn tomorrow in tomorrow's class. Okay. Any question from today's class? So sit in any comfortable position for closing the session. Adopt Gyanar Chin Mudra, spine straight, eyes closed. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale for one time Om followed by closing mantra. Om. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत्। ओम। Join your both palms together in front of heart center. Bow down your head towards God, towards Mother Nature. Rub your both palms. Apply an eye. Slowly and gently while blinking, open your eyes. Om Shanti. Thank you for joining the class.
Thank you, sir.
We will
Thank you, sir.
meet again tomorrow.
Yes, sir.
Sir, what would be the next session?